down to 2 leads. It's a steep decline for the Congress party that won 19 seats in the last assembly elections in 2020. It contested 61 seats this time around, and of which the Congress party is leading on just 2 seats. It's a huge embarrassment coming in from the grand old party, not only just in alliance, it's also a big loss of face for the Congress. As per the current ECI data, look at which other parties are, ahead of the Congress party. AIMIM is leading in 6 seats, while the Congress is now down to leading only on 2 seats. This speaks volumes about the Congress party's performance, how people have been rejecting the narrative that the Congress party was spreading on ground in Bihar. And the most important narrative was Rahul Gandhi's vote chori narrative, for which he actually also carried out a yatra across the length and breadth of Bihar. 1,500 kilometers were covered. Let me go across to Arunil. Rahul Gandhi traveled to 25 districts, over 100 seats come in that district, 1,500 kilometer long yatra. But look at the results, nothing. Congress party leading on 2 seats, the steepest decline for the Congress party.
Well, Swati, it also means, in a way, the BJP has always accused the Congress party of Muslim appeasement. Now, when AIMIM is leading, it also means, Swati, that the BJP has accused Congress party of Muslim appeasement. Now, when AIMIM is leading Congress with respect to the number of seats, it showcases that the Muslims are also not buying to the concept as well as the rhetoric that has been pushed by the Congress party. Clearly, huge embarrassment for the Grand Old Party, leading on only 2 seats. Last time they had managed a worst performance amongst all the big parties that were contesting, supposedly big parties that were contesting on 70 seats, managing only 19. And now they are leading in only a paltry 2 seats that they are leading on. A huge embarrassment, and also it raises question marks on Rahul Gandhi's leadership as well. First it was Haryana, where political pundits were saying that it was advantageous Congress party. They lost from a favourable position in Haryana. Then Maharashtra, Mahavikas Aghadi bore the brunt because of Congress party underperforming majorly, and now here in Bihar as well, managing to lead in only 2 seats, which is again less than AIMIM as well, a Southern Overseas Party. Overseas Party had won 5 seats last time. They had given a kind of ask the Mahagathbandhan to include them in Mahagathbandhan as well. However, their plea was dismissed by Tejasvi Yadav. So now whether a change of strategy is required from the Congress's side, that again is a big point of question. In some time now, Vinod Tawde, who's one of the main coordinators for the BJP, will be taking a press conference here at the BJP state headquarters.
Let's go across to Kritika, who's joining us from outside the BJP office in Delhi. We're being told that even the Prime Minister is going to come to the BJP office, as he always does after winning election.
Yes, he's expected to reach around 6:30, but let me show you the visuals first. Of course, all supporters here, celebrations galore. You can see multiple posters all up in the air. In fact, the big line that supporters here are taking is how Bihar to sirf jhaki hai, Bengal baki hai. So right as even the elections are still being called, in fact, already announcement for the Bihar elections for a resounding victory, hopeful victory in the Bihar elections have also been given, showing the visuals of the band currently that's playing in. You can see someone also dressed up as Lord Hanuman also here. He's having a poster of फिर से विकास की बारी आई है, मोदी फिर से बिहार में मोदी और नीतीश की झांकी आई है. So definitely a lot of voices here, a lot of colors as well. I will try and get you some visuals as well. सर, आप यहाँ हनुमान भगवान बनकर आए, क्या आपका मैसेज है?
अरे आज मोदी और योगी का जोड़ी हिट कर गया, और जो विकास किए थे वो विकास की घड़ी लगाए थे, उस पे जनता जनार्दन खड़ा उतरे हैं.
उनके लिए आप खड़े उतरे. So first visuals here, you can see laddus also being distributed continuously. The bands are on. Sir, आप भी यहाँ पोस्टर लेकर आए हैं. So first, multiple sentiments that can also be seen at the BJP headquarters currently. As you were rightly pointing out, the Prime Minister is also expected expected to address people in a shorter, while giving you more visuals from here. You'll be able to see the cutouts of Narendra Modi also that are here. Modi है तो मुमकिन है. सर आप ये बताइए, मोदी है तो मुमकिन है कि पोस्टर दिखाई दे रहे हैं. मोदी है तो मुमकिन है कि पोस्टर दिखाई दे रहे हैं. क्या कहना चाहेंगे इतनी बड़ी जीत के बारे में?
अब इससे बढ़िया और क्या है. अब तो समझ लीजिए ममता देवी के आउटस्टर का ये सबसे बड़ा ये झंडा है.
What I was exactly saying, this is not only just a victory for Bihar, but they're saying this shows that even in Bengal, Mamata Banerjee will be ousted. That's the confidence that in fact workers here are projecting currently after the big win. Once again, showing you towards the stage as well, where the preparations are on. That is where mostly the Prime Minister addresses as well. You can see that the speakers are already being set up. So more workers are expected to reach here shortly for, in fact, an address of the Prime Minister, as you pointed out, which is customary after each and every state election win as well. Over to you.
Right, Kritika, while the Bharatiya Janata Party is giving credit to Sushasan model, the Vikas model, the opposition is yet to accept their defeat and they are congratulating the Election Commission.
Well, yes, that's for the first statements that we were in fact getting in, that how the Election Commission, or it is the victory of Gyanesh Kumar and the loss of in fact the people of Bihar as well. Sir, ये तो बताइए, यहाँ पर कह रहे हैं कांग्रेस क्या कह रही है? कांग्रेस कह रही है कि ये इलेक्शन कमीशन की जीत है, बिहारियों की हार है. क्या कहेंगे आप? आपको क्या लगता है? कह रही है कांग्रेस का ये दावा है कि ये तो इलेक्शन कमीशन की जीत है, बीजेपी की जीत नहीं है.
भाई वो और क्या कहेंगे, उनके पास कुछ है नहीं बोलने का, सिवाय पागलपन के वो कुछ बोलते हैं नहीं.
कुछ और है नहीं बोलने के लिए. आप बताइए, आप क्या कहेंगे? बार बार ये बात है.
आया था मैम, मुझे ग्राउंड रियलिटी पता है. बिहार में 7 डेज रहा था. जो हारते हैं वही ठिकरा इलेक्शन कमीशन पे फोड़ते हैं. जब कर्नाटक जीत जाते हैं तो
Karnataka जीत जाते हैं. So where are these allegations when you win a state like Karnataka is the word coming in. So definitely all of these allegations being in fact refuted by the workers here. Over to you, Swati.
All right, Kritika, stay on with us. We also have Pragya joining us from the BJP headquarters. Pragya, the opposition, especially the Congress party now has a lot of Atma Manthan and Atma Chintan to do. Meanwhile, the Bharatiya Janata Party, of course, has every reason to celebrate. They have earned this victory.
Absolutely, Swati, and as you can see, the celebration has started, already begun, and also the menu is from Bihar. By tonight there will be makhana kheer that will be distributed at sweets with the people. But we also have a Yuva Morcha leader here, Rohit Chahal, with us. Rohit ji, there are a lot of allegations from Congress. They are saying that this is a victory of Election Commission, and also how are you going to celebrate today's victory?
देखिए, सबसे पहले तो ये कहना चाहूंगा, ये देश की जनता की जीत है. जिस तरीके से विश्वास, जो प्यार, जो आशीर्वाद माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के लिए देश की जनता ने और बिहार की जनता ने, हमारे बिहार के भाई बहनों ने दिया है, मैं धन्यवाद करना चाहूंगा. बिहार के लोगों की ये जीत हुई है, ऐतिहासिक जीत है. और जिस तरीके से झूठ की, फरेब की जो राजनीति कांग्रेस पार्टी, राहुल गांधी खेलने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, जो देश में अस्थिरता फैलाने का, देश का माहौल खराब करने का प्रयास कर रहे थे, उसको पूरी तरीके से नकार दिया है. तो जो विश्वास है, जो डबल इंजन की सरकार है, वो एनडीए की जो जीत, ये जो हमारी माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी नेतृत्व में चल रही है, देश को मजबूत करने का माननीय प्रधानमंत्री, उसको आज मोहर लगाकर उन्होंने कह दिया है. देश के जो बिहार का युवा है, उसने बता दिया है कि हम जो झूठ की दुकान, जो राहुल गांधी खेलना चाहते हैं, जो देश के विरोधी ताकतों के साथ मिलकर देश के अंदर अस्थिरता बनाने का काम चाहते हैं, वो नहीं चलने वाला.
कैसे सेलिब्रेशन, आज कैसे सेलिब्रेट होगा?
देखिए, मुझे लगता है आप भी देख ही रहे हैं, लड्डू से लेकर और जिस प्रकार से आज जो हमारे नारे जो गूंज रहे हैं, क्योंकि जिस प्रकार से आप देखें, उत्साह है कार्यकर्ताओं के अंदर. प्रत्येक कार्यकर्ता की जीत है, जिन्होंने मेहनत की थी वहां के अंदर. एनडीए के जो सभी कार्यकर्ता हैं, एनडीए परिवार के, उन सबकी मेहनत जो थी, उसी का आज परिणाम सामने आया और बहुत ही ऐतिहासिक जीत है. और ये जवाब है उन देश विरोधी ताकतों को कि इस तरीके का युवा, बिहार का युवा, इस तरीके के देश विरोधी ताकतों को बिल्कुल स्वीकार नहीं करेगा. और ये तो सिर्फ झांकी है, और अभी बंगाल बाकी है. बंगाल में भी ऐतिहासिक जीत भारतीय जनता पार्टी.
Well, Swati, one of the rhetoric that we are getting from the BJP leaders is that this is just a jharki and Bengal is still there. So absolutely they are saying that the next mission is Mission Bengal. And look at the celebrations here. The bands are here. They are playing various tunes as well. But Prime Minister will be, what we are given to understand is that Prime Minister is going to come here around 6:30, between 7, and there will be a lot of celebration. A lot of people who would be coming, and also listening to Prime Minister today, and
Right.
there will be a very big message that Prime Minister is going to give from this stage and the BJP headquarters.
All right, Pragya, stay on with us. Let me also go across to Nyamika. Nyamika, has it started sinking in for the Congress party?
Well, yes, indeed, Swati, and I would also like to show you the visuals here, as right now we are standing at the AICC headquarters, and there is absolute silence here. Apart from the media persons, there is not even a single worker of the Congress party which can be seen here at the AICC headquarters in the national capital, as now it seems like they have also accepted their defeat, and it was not expected at all that the Congress party's performance will can be so much poor, as we have also spoken to several of the leaders within the Congress party, specifically from the Bihar Congress leaders, and they are also surprised with the manner in which the results have come out, as they were not expecting that this much poor performance can be shown by the Congress party in the state of Bihar. As in fact, when we had spoken to them, this question was also being asked that do they also believe that the issue of vote chori doesn't impacted much on the ground, and that is the only reason why it is one of the reasons why the Congress party is not being able to perform that much good on the ground, and for that reason they have also accepted that they were not being able to spread out that message to the people of Bihar, and that is the only reason why not just this, but in fact the communication gap between the workers and the state leadership,
The
that
communication gap, the rebellion, the protests after ticket distribution, the allegations of taking money, selling tickets, allegations against those close to Rahul Gandhi. And one other question that is being asked since morning, no answers coming in. Where is Rahul Gandhi? Why is he not with the party workers? We have more reactions coming in. Let's listen in.
संगठन की कमजोरी है। संगठन पर हम निर्भर करते हैं। अगर संगठन कमजोर हो और काम नहीं कर सकता है, तब तो ये होना लाजमी है, तो होगा ही। तो हमारे संगठन की कमजोरी है। हमारे कैंडिडेट जो हैं सब बड़े अच्छे हैं। हाँ, ये और बात है कि कैंडिडेट के सिलेक्शन में शायद हम और भी अच्छे कैंडिडेट चुन सकते थे। चुनाव को कैसे लड़ा जाए उसके बारे में सख्ती से काम करना, होशियारी से काम करना, इसमें तो टोटल फेलियर है।
चीजें जब चल रही है, जो चीज उसको भी स्वीकार करना पड़ेगा, और ये बिहार के लिए दुर्भाग्य होगा। जनता